For Healthy Hut, we're going to make a digital menu presentation. So in there, we're going to name it 3.3. First slide, on the title slide, they want us to insert this horizontal scroll shape and insert the title as word art. So this is what it's going to look like. Add animations to the shape and the word art on the slide. So let me show you how to get to that. All right, so on my title slide, I'm going to insert a shape, and you're going to look for it. You're going to find the scroll, which is down in the callouts. It's right here. You click on it. Then you're going to click, hold, and drag to put it on your slide. Again, you can move it around, adjust it. And then they want us to include word art. So we're going to click Insert Word Art. And the word art they want us to have is Healthy Hut's Fresh New Flavors. So I'm going to type all caps. And then when I get to the next line, I'm going to hold down the Shift key and hit Enter. So it gives me the next line. Fresh New Flavors or items, or what is it? Flavors. I'm going to hit Enter. Now in there, I can resize this to make it larger to fit the size of the horizontal scroll. I can change the color. I don't want it to be gray. I'm going to make it red. The banner, I can change that color. Let's say yellow. Maybe that. Now they want us to animate the shape and the word art on the slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the shape. I'm going to click Transitions, and I'm going to click on the words Animate. I'm going to add animation, and let's do this first. Click on the scroll first and click Add Animation. I want that to fly in from somewhere. I want to make it fly in from the top, bottom, left, right. It doesn't matter. I can click, let's say fly in from the bottom. And I always want to make sure that it flies in from the bottom. I want to click After Previous. So the words, now I need to click on the words, and I want to add an animation to that. And maybe since this one's flying in from the bottom, I'm going to have this fly in from the top. Again, click After Previous. And this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to get a preview. I'm going to hit play. My slide is going to appear. My scroll is going to come up. My words are going to fly in. And that's it. You're going to hit stop. So slide number 1 is finished. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All right, so after we get slide 1 done, we got our animations all ready to go. Going back to slide 2, now it says for slide 2, they want us to have a title, a text box, and an image. And then we're going to have, this is all pretty much going to be exactly the same for slide 2, slide 3, 4, 5, and 6. They're going to have the same layout. The only difference is the menu item. So turkey and avocado sandwich is going to be the title. It's going to give us a little description of the sandwich. We're going to have to insert an image of a turkey avocado sandwich. And then we're going to, part C, I'll show you what that's going to look like when we get there. So let me get some of this done, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I typed out the turkey avocado sandwich title, and I typed out this brief description on what the turkey avocado sandwich has. Again, if you want to make the font larger, you can make it easier to read for people looking at the digital bulletin board or menu item list. All right, over on the right, we're going to need to insert an image of a turkey avocado sandwich. So I'm going to go to Insert Image. I'm going to search the web, type in turkey avocado sandwich, hit Enter. I don't know what, I've never had a turkey avocado sandwich, so I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to pick this one. All right, so it's going to be large. Resize it, move it up so that it's kind of centered with the words. And then the next thing we have to do, They want us to put a shape in. We can pick any shape that we want. They want us to put it in the right-hand corner. They want us to change the fill color and the line color and the weight color. And then they want us to use word art, and they want us to put the price in. So I'm going to go to Insert, Shape. And again, you can pick any shape that you want. It doesn't really matter what you want. Again, your choice. Let's see. I don't know. I'm going to pick something. I'm going to pick this. And I'm just going to click and drag it. All right. They want us to change the fill color. So let's make it yellow. The line color, they want to do red. Just kind of goes along with our banner. And then I'm going to make the border color a little bit thicker. Maybe I'll make it up 8. All right. So now that we have that shape in there, they want us to make word art, and they want us to make the price $6.75. So I'm going to hit Insert Word Art. I'm going to type in $6.75, and I'm going to enter. Again, it's going to be real large. I'm going to make the fill color. I'm going to make it the red color. And I'm going to shrink the size down. Drag it over here, make sure it looks good. Maybe adjust the size a little bit. And that's the slide. So for the next slides, we're going to have the next type of item, the paragraph, the image, and then the price. So what I'm going to do is I might come back and copy and paste this word art again into the next one so that it looks the same. The other thing I can do is, if I want, I can right click on this slide I just did, and I'm going to hit duplicate. So right now I have slide number 2 is my turkey avocado, and slide number 3 is my turkey avocado. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this information. I'm going to take out this paragraph. I'm going to take out this. I'm going to change that. So it may be easier for you to do that, or you can go back and do all the other ones. I'm going to show you how to do slide number 3. All right, slide number 3, they want us to do the Mediterranean veggie sandwich. The title will be up here. The text will be on the side. The image will be on the right. And then now this price is going to be $6.25. So right now I'm going to change this to $6.25. I'm going to change the title. I'm going to change the sandwich. I'm going to delete the turkey avocado, and I'll be right back. All right, so the Mediterranean veggie sandwich, I typed it all in again. Let's make this font bigger so that it's easier to read. Okay, now I need to go find an image of the Mediterranean veggie sandwich. So I don't want to have to type it all out. I'm just going to copy it, insert, image, search the web, and highlight it, hit enter. Again, I've never had a Mediterranean veggie sandwich, so I'm just going to pick this one. Hit insert. Again, I'm going to have to make it a little smaller so that it fits. There you go. I got my next slide done. Slide number 4. Same setup, title, text, image, and then the price. So I'm going to do this one the other way. I'm going to type out the title and the text, and we'll come right back. All right, chicken cob with avocado salad. Make the font larger so it's easier to read. Okay, I got to go find an image of the chicken cob with avocado salad. Again, never had it. Chicken cob with avocado salad. I don't know. Let's use that one. Hit insert. We're going to have to resize it. No, it's pretty good. Okay, then I got to do another price. So what I might do is I might come up here and I might copy this whole thing. So I'm going to hit Control C. Come down here, hit Control V. Come back up here, get my little shape. Control C. Control V. All right, so I got my thing here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I'm going to go back here and I'm going to copy the price. Okay, so if I move this back over here, the price for the avocado chicken cob sandwich is $7 salad. So I'm just going to highlight this, hit enter. Okay, so that's my next one. So the fifth one is going to be the same. Sixth one's going to be the same. So I'm going to do those two, and then I'll show you what it's going to look like. All right, zesty Greek salad. I found an image, put my price in there. Same thing with my green monster smoothie. I need to make this font larger so it's easier to read. All right, see if there's anything else I need to do in my directions. Format the slide background size, style. Again, you guys do whatever you want as far as the colors and the backgrounds. Just make sure that it's easy enough to see the images. Make sure it's easy enough to see the words. And then number 10, apply an identical transition to all the slides. So let's go back to slide number 1. I'm going to hit transition. And let's pick cube, apply to all. All right, so when I want to see what my slideshow is going to look like, I can hit present. There's my images. That's it. Everything's done. Everything looks good. If you have any questions, please let us know.